Hi everyone. Today, we have something really exciting for all the small business owners, cargo transporters, and those who love compact yet powerful vans. We're talking about the 2025 Suzuki Carry Mini van, a vehicle designed for efficiency, practicality, and affordability. If you're looking for a reliable workhorse that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this might just be the perfect choice for you. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Suzuki Carry Mini van maintains its simple and functional look, perfect for commercial use. It's compact, which makes it easy to maneuver through narrow streets and busy traffic. Despite its small size, it offers a surprisingly spacious cargo area, allowing you to transport goods, tools, or even passengers comfortably. The front-end design is straightforward, with a sturdy bumper, rectangular headlights, and a grille that provides ample airflow to keep the engine cool. The large side mirrors ensure better visibility, which is crucial for city driving and tight parking spaces. Moving to the dimensions, the Suzuki Carry Mini van is built for practicality. It features a short wheelbase, making U-turns and navigating through congested areas easier. Despite its compact form, it has an impressive cargo capacity, maximizing space efficiency for business needs. Whether you're in the delivery business, running a small shop, or need a vehicle for daily transport, this van can handle it all. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Carry Mini van is powered by a 1.5-liter, 4-cylinder petrol engine that delivers approximately 96 horsepower and 135 newton-meters of torque. This may not sound like a high-performance setup, but for a van of this size, it's more than enough to handle daily transportation needs. The engine is designed to be fuel efficient, which is a major advantage for businesses looking to save on operational costs. Paired with either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 4-speed automatic, the Carry Mini van offers smooth and reliable performance. It may not be a speed machine, but it's built for durability and low maintenance, two key factors that businesses prioritize. Speaking of fuel efficiency, the Suzuki Carry Mini van is known for its economical fuel consumption. Depending on the driving conditions, it can deliver around 14 to 16 kilometers per liter, making it one of the most budget-friendly commercial vans in its class. With rising fuel prices, this is a huge plus for business owners who need to keep their expenses in check. Now, let's talk about the interior. Since this is a commercial vehicle, Suzuki has kept things minimalistic yet functional. The dashboard is simple and easy to use, with essential controls placed conveniently for the driver. The seats are comfortable enough for long hours on the road, and the wide windshield and large windows provide excellent visibility. Storage compartments are placed smartly, allowing drivers to keep their essentials within reach. Some variants may come with air conditioning and a basic infotainment system, but since this is a work vehicle, Suzuki has focused more on practicality rather than luxury. Safety is always a concern, especially for commercial vehicles. The 2025 Suzuki Carry Mini van comes equipped with essential safety features such as dual front airbags, ABS, anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, EBD, and a reinforced body structure for added protection. While it may not have advanced driver assistance features like high-end cars, it does provide a safe and stable driving experience, especially for city driving and cargo transport. Another key factor that makes the Suzuki Carry Mini van a great choice is its low maintenance cost. Suzuki is known for manufacturing reliable and affordable vehicles, and the Carry is no exception. Spare parts are easily available, and repairs are generally inexpensive, making it an ideal option for businesses that need a dependable van without high maintenance costs. One of the best things about this van is its versatility. It can be used for various purposes, including delivery services, mobile shops, school transport, and even as a family vehicle in some cases. Suzuki also offers customization options, allowing businesses to modify the van according to their specific needs. Whether it's installing shelves, refrigeration units, or additional seating, Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Suzuki Carry Mini van is expected to be competitively priced, making it an affordable option for many small business owners. While prices may vary depending on the market and additional features, it's generally one of the most budget-friendly vans in its category. Compared to other commercial vans, the Carry offers great value for money. So, who should consider buying the 2025 Suzuki Carry Mini van? If you're a business owner, delivery service provider, or someone looking for a budget-friendly, reliable, and fuel-efficient vehicle, this van is definitely worth considering. It may not be the most luxurious or feature-packed van out there, but it's built for functionality, efficiency, and affordability are all the qualities that mattered the most in a work vehicle. What do you think about the 2025 Suzuki Carry Mini van? Would you consider it for your business or personal use? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Trends for more updates on the latest cars, bikes, and automotive trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.